Hello, everybody. This is Timothy and Lisa with the Home Hunters, and we hope you're doing well. Glad you're with us today, and we're going to show you two houses. One is in Earlsboro, Oklahoma, and the second is in Robbins, Tennessee. So the first one is 59.9, 2-bedroom, 2-bath, 1,008 square feet. It was built in 1970. It's on 629 South Lamar Avenue. It's got about 1/3 of an acre. It's a brick and vinyl home, and it sits on 4 corner lots. It has a 6-foot chain link fence, public utilities, and a water well also. It has carpet vinyl and painted concrete. The kitchen has a breakfast bar, gas cooktop, refrigerator, built-in oven, and its own water heater. 2 radiant gas heaters keep the house warm and cozy. 1 window unit air conditioner. And it's been on the market for 5 days.
And the listing agent is here, Lanita Olson, and her phone number is 405-221-3717. And she's with Carter Real Estate Company. Now let's look at the photos of it. The yard is fully fenced in here, as you can see. Has a metal roof. This is your main living area here. Has concrete floors in here. This is your dining room. Living room again. And your kitchen area has a wall oven right here, yeah. And then the stove top right here. I mean a countertop stove.
That's a weird place for the sink, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
You usually have your sink in front of, right below your window.
Yeah.
You can always paint those cabinets if you don't like that look.
And the paneling too.
Yeah, the paneling too.
Here's your kitchen leading into your dining room. Bathroom.
One of the bedrooms.
Right.
Got carpet in there.
Got some nice clean carpet.
Mm-hmm.
You see your closet right here.
Yeah.
And your second bedroom. Your second bathroom, yeah. Cool little toilet seat cover there. There's a shower tub combo also. And here's your backyard. This is where you pull in right here. Kind of like a driveway area.
Yeah, there's no carport or garage.
You have to park around here. Yeah. Big backyard though.
That's a really big backyard. I'd plant some trees.
Me too, yeah. Okay, let's see where this property is located. It is just east of Oklahoma City. It's near
Tecumseh.
I
don't know how to say that. Tecumseh?
Tecumseh.
I think I'm probably saying it wrong.
Yeah. And Little, and Seminole, and Brooksville. Some little towns in the area. Okay, let's look at it on street view. Okay, here it is. You see that fenced-in yard here? It's right across. Actually, it's right beside a church. Right here. This is the church. And you can see your fence here where you pull in.
Yeah, your car would be protected back there. That's one good thing
That's
about
true. It is gated, so it's protected.
Mm-hmm. This view here is from 2023, August.
Yeah, the one we saw earlier just then was 2022. Big backyard behind you. Some neighbors back here. Okay, now let's move on to the next one in Robbins, Tennessee. This one is listed at 113,685, and it has 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and 1620 square feet. It's on just under an acre lot, and it was built in 2010. It's actually pretty recently built.
Yeah, I think that's the newest home we've shown.
Yeah. So you're saying 19 something. I kind of stuttered when I said 2000.
Mm-hmm.
On
Almost
the
an
market
acre.
for 11 days.
Oh, the listing agent is Sarah Richards, 423-585-7100. She's with Spring Mountain Realty.
Okay, let's look at the photos of it. I like it because they showed what it would look like in wintertime with Christmas decorations.
Mm-hmm.
Really cool looking.
That's very nice.
Got lots of nice windows. I see it has some French doors over here.
Yeah. There it is at night.
Got a nice front porch too.
Pretty view of that. You can see how big the porch is.
Very pretty. Yeah. There's the backyard, back porch area.
Oh, that's a. Did you see that air conditioning unit?
I saw it. Yeah. Looks a little outdated.
Yeah. That. Well, you always need to get your inspections. Don't forget.
That's right.
That's beautiful right
There's
there.
the land you have around you, all those trees, very beautiful trees. They change the colors in the seasons.
Mm-hmm. Very pretty. It's a very nice piece of land there.
It is. And here is your living area and kitchen. And it has laminate flooring in here.
There's your entryway from the front porch, it looks like.
That's right.
You've got
some nice cabinets in here.
Mm-hmm. Looks like an electric stove.
Yeah. It has enough space in here for a dining area also in this area.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
One of your bedrooms. Interesting.
Looks like a second living, doesn't it?
It could be a second living area.
It's got the doors that go out. I guess it's whatever you want it to be. I mean,
yeah, it's a bonus room.
Really, you can do whatever you want.
Can, yeah. Now this is definitely a bedroom.
Where are the windows?
Doesn't have any.
I guess that could be a little movie theater room.
Yeah, it could be, yeah.
So it's dark, And...
It's a good idea. It's a good idea. Could also be an extra storage room, too. This is the master bedroom.
That's
also
nice room.
with laminate flooring.
Mm-hmm. There's the master bath, I guess, right there.
Mm-hmm. Now there's a secondary bedroom, all painted in pink and purple. You could paint that. Got nice flooring. Nice windows. I like the design of the doors too.
I do too. I was just thinking that.
And there's a third bedroom. So yeah, those rooms we saw earlier were not bedrooms; they were bonus rooms because we see 3 bedrooms here. So that one could be used as a movie room, and the other one is a secondary living area.
Yeah,
they're not officially bedrooms.
Or if you want a quiet office.
Yeah.
Separated from everybody.
There's your washer and dryer closet, which is in the hallway.
That's a nice view.
Your view off your back porch, yeah.
Very nice view. It's a really cute house.
It is.
It needs some painting. And once you put all your stuff in there and make it yours, it'll be really nice.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. Okay, let's see where it's located. Okay. Okay, so it is in Robbins, Tennessee. Hang on a second, it's kind of glitching on me. Not sure if it's gonna work. Yeah. I think we'll,
Exit out of the other one. Exit out of those others.
yeah.
See if it works.
Okay, now, so it is in Robbins, Tennessee. It is northwest of Knoxville and east of Nashville. It's close to Huntsville and Jamestown. Now let's look at the street view on it. Okay, here it is.
Very pretty.
Got a lot of land around it, a lot of trees. Very nice.
I love that. I love because it's isolated from other houses. That way you don't have to deal with other people. And
Mm-hmm.
if they don't want to keep their house maintained or their yard maintained, you don't have to deal with it.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
It's beautiful right there by itself.
Across the street from you is this area.
Wow. Is there any other house?
I don't think so. Not nearby.
Wow, that is so nice.
Very nice street here too, with all the trees around it.
I think there might be somebody right here.
I don't see a house, just a driveway.
Strange. I love that area.
It's a very beautiful area. Yeah. Look at all these trees.
Yeah.
So pretty.
So pretty. And that is not a bad price for that either. What you're getting
Mm-hmm.
in that land there.
Mm-hmm. It's a very good deal.
Mm-hmm.
It's pretty isolated. I think your closest neighbor would be down here,
Mm-hmm.
right here. So, okay, thank you for watching this video, everybody, and we hope you have a good day. Remember to like and subscribe if you enjoyed it, and we will see you in the next one.
See you later.
Bye.